Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make 人参とツナの卵炒め。It's carrot, canned tuna, and egg stir fry. I normally have it as a side, but it's so colorful and nutritious, so it's also great for lunchbox. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this 人参とツナの卵炒め. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Carrot, as much as you like. 2 eggs, canned tuna. This one is 80 grams and it's in oil. 1 tablespoon each of soy sauce, mirin, sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and some salt and pepper. Let's cut the carrot into very thin strips. Peel the skin. Cut the top and the bottom off. You can of course use mandolin, but if you're using knife, make very thin slices, like paper thin. Align them and into strips. Put canned tuna with the oil and everything into the frying pan. The heat is off. If you're using the tuna in brine, drain it and add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Put carrot. Turn the heat on and cook it over medium heat until the carrot is wilted. Once it's wilted, add all the seasonings. Mirin, soy sauce, sugar, and some salt and pepper. And keep cooking for a minute. Beat the eggs in a bowl. And add it to the frying pan. Keep cooking until the egg is completely cooked. sesame seeds. Give it a mix. Turn the heat off and it's done. Let's serve in the bowl here. And 人参とツナの卵炒め is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。The canned tuna adds so much flavor to the dish, and the salty sweet seasoning is just so good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 人参とツナの卵炒め is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. Plain rice here, and spinach miso soup or any soup you like here. How about karaage, Japanese fried chicken for the main, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!